A trail of 1,000 miles on a bike begins with a single step on the pedal. Imagine there was an e-bike, lighter than any other you have seen before, with a power that lets you master all trails. And now imagine it would not just be imagination, but reality. The ERS9 from 5. A mountain bike that lets you overcome your physical limits. Reinvent yourself and make the trail your individual playground, following your own rules. For a long time, humanity asked itself, what does it need to make a mountain bike ultra-light and hard to steal as well? Carbon. Less than 13 kilos of total weight, lighter than other e-bikes with the perfect geometry, perfectly balanced. Life is movement, and movement is freedom. A sophisticated fiber layer and tube dimension at the seat tube. Seat stays, bottom bracket, and steering head. As stiff as necessary and comfortable as possible. Obstacles are made to conquer them. But with the hunger for more, for the perfect symbiosis between man and machine, we go a step further. The evasion drive, the invisible revolution, the lightest and most compact drive system of its class. Bottom bracket gearing system. The ERS9 is not just a bike, it's the fulfillment of your dreams of mobility. We did our best to create the lightest e-mountain bike for you. Now, let's start the journey together with 5 bikes.
We found the spare parts we need, but they're in the old city.
There's only 60 minutes to make the pickup, but someone has to run the gauntlet.
Well, the solar panels are down, and if the wind stops blowing, we're back to the Stone Age, folks.
I'll do it.
Lucky the stealth bike's still half charged.
Should be enough to get you there. Just try not to break it.
As if I could.
The battery should make it home if you take it easy, but don't be late. And remember, don't stop for anyone or anything.
Last chance for petrol? This will be a bike. Ah, come on.
Come on, there's 1 minute left. I'm here.
I gave them an hour. 60 seconds.
So you want to come join us?
Yeah, we want to get out of here.
Hey! Hippie girl!